Hello students, today we are going to see this topic which is known as types of internet services. Okay, so this is chapter 9, introductions to internet and email. So in the previous class we have learnt about the URL. URL means universal resource locator. Okay, so uniform resource locator, you can see that it is used to remember the link. Okay, remember the site address of it. Okay, so it is a group of words, and we have seen uh, ICANN. Okay, so Internet Corporation for assigning names and numbers. So this corporation is responsible for providing domain name and URL for a website. Okay, so and we have seen W3C. W3C is an organization that manages the www World Wide Web. Okay, so and see we have seen some different types of domain names. So in today's class we are going to see this types of internet services. So by using which kind of technology we are using this internet. Okay, so there are so many types here. So wireless, mobile, hotspot, broadband, DSL, cable, satellite, ISDN, and you can see that dongles, data dongles, or data cards, everything. So we will see one by one. Okay. So wireless technology. So here you can see that radio frequency bands are used in places of telephones or cable network. One of the greatest advantages of wireless internet connection is the anyway on. Okay, always on. Okay, so a connection that can be accessed from any location that falls within the network coverage. So wireless connection are made possible through the use of modem. So modem means modulator plus demodulator. Okay, so modem means actually the carrier signal. Okay, so RF signals, radio signals is being received to the receiver, and it is converted to data signal or audio signal when transmitting. Okay, so this data signal or or voice signal or audio signal is being converted back to radio signal. So this is demodulation. So this is the work of modulation and demodulation, which is shortly known as modem. Next is mobile. So many cell phones and smartphone providers offers voice plans with internet access. Mobile internet connection provides good speed and allows you to access the internet. Okay, so internet service provider, ISP means the company which provides internet service. Okay, so in our country you can see that BSNL, Geo, Idea, Vodafone. So these are all the internet service provider. So they have best plan. Okay, so you can see that a voice plan, unlimited data plan, SMS plan. So these are all the different plans that are provided by the mobile companies. Next is hotspot. Hotspot is hotspots are sites that offer internet access over a wireless local area network by way of routing that then connecting to an internet service provider. Hotspot utilizes Wi-Fi technology, which allows electronic devices to connect to the internet or exchange data wirelessly through radio waves. Hotspot can be phone based or freestanding, commercial, or free to the public. So here you can see that in public places like railway station or in public malls, shopping malls, multiplex malls. Okay, so this kind of public places they'll be installing a Wi-Fi routers. Okay, so it is a device that will connect hundreds of wireless devices and provide them internet. So this is known as hotspot. Even you can see that nowadays mobiles is having a hotspot facility, so that you will be receiving the internet from the service provider and broadcast that internet to nearby devices by using this wireless hotspot. Next we use this broadband technology. Okay, broadband is a wired communication. Okay, so all the other three things which we have discussed in the above is wireless technology, but broadband mostly it will be available in wired technology. Okay, so either it will be available in wire which is RJ45 or Cat 6 or Cat 7, Cat 5e. So these are all the different types of cables which uses copper as conductivity. Okay, so OFC cable. Okay, OFC means optical fiber cable. So this also uses this broadband technology. So the high speed internet connection is provided to either cables or telephone companies. One of the fastest option available, broadband internet uses multiple data channels to send large quantity of information. The term broadband is a short form for broad bandwidth. Okay, broadband internet connections such as DSL and cables are considered high uh, bandwidth connections. Although many DSL connection can be considered broadband, not all broadband connections are DSL. So this broadband is a channel of uh, channel of connectivity in which you can send and receive large amount of data. So it will be either telephone cable, or it can be some any cabled medium, any wired medium. Okay, so it can provide a high quality information and multiple data channels. So in one single uh, cable you can provide uh, internet facility, voice over facility, data facility, and even you can see that nowadays Geo Home, Geo Fiber, this provides all the facility for your home. Okay, so TV channel signals and broadband data signals, and even you can see that voice over, okay, calls. So these kind of these different types of connectivity is provided by a single cable itself. So this is broadband. Next is DSL. So DSL stands for digital subscriber line, uses existing two copper wires. Okay, telephone line connected to one of the home services, uh, which is delivered through a landline telephone service. Customer can still place calls while surfing the internet. Okay, so this is the service that is provided by the DSL. Okay, a single cable will be provided to each home for connectivity. So this single cable will have all the facility. Okay, so by using this broadband technology, this DSL will provide connectivity to each individual house. Next is cable. So cable, as you all know, cable TV, internet. So cable internet connectivity is a form of broadband access. It uses modem, and you can see this internet over cable TV line. So these are all the uh, services provided by the cable technology, cable internet services. Okay, next is satellite. So you'll be having a receiver directly connected to the satellite. So even the local local tower has been down. Okay, say for any reason, local cell tower is down. So even though it is down, you can connect to the internet by using this sat phone. Okay, satellite connectivity. Next is ISDN. ISDN means Internet Integrated Services Digital Network. So this is provided by the ISP itself. Okay, ISP means Internet Service Provider. So this technology is installed by an adapter that requires both end of transmission on the part of the user as well as the internet service provider. Okay, so next is data dongle. So this data dongle is all we have known, this USB Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so this can be connected to either computer or laptops by USB port, and it can connect to internet with 3G or 4G technology. Okay, so a SIM card will be available inside that dongle, and you can connect it through the USB ports. So here you can see that what is the difference between dongles and data cards. Next is internet connection and access method. So there are two types of indirect access and direct access. So this indirect access means you can see that home office network. Okay, will be directly provided cable or Wi-Fi. You'll be directly accessing the internet by using any router or fiber optics cable. Okay, so this is indirect access. Direct access means you can see that smartphones with the 3G or 4G technology, you can just enter the URL or website address in the search bar to get direct access to the website. So this is the difference between indirect access and the direct access. So here in this picture also you can see that. So in home or office network, you will connect to the internet by using a router. Okay, uh, but uh, your mobile phones are connecting to the internet directly by using the cell phone towers. Okay, so these are all the two things that we can see here. Next is search engine. Search engine is a website. It's a, is- it's a website that searches information in the World Wide Web, and you can see that um, the search engine, the popular search engines are Yahoo, Google. So these are all the search engines. Okay, and you can see that this when you provide a keyword to this search engine, it will have the list of website. It will show you the list of websites that are related to this keyword. Okay, so you can see some informations, and this search engine helps to narrow down the results. Okay, so you can see that 1375 results in 0.03 seconds. Okay, you can see this in often you can see this in Google, which means that it will scan all the websites that are available in the www for that particular keyword. So if the particular keyword is available in the website, then it will be added into in the result list. So this is search engine, and you can see that browser is a software. So search engine is a website, and browser is a software. Okay, so this the software or application which is used to connect connect to the internet and browse some information. Okay, surfing the information, or reading, or seeing videos, hearing audios from the internet is known as browsing. So most of the popular browsers are Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera. So this is known as search engine and browser. The list of content returned by search engine to the user is known as search engine result page, SERP. Okay, so search engine result page will contain all the web pages that are related to this keyword which user has entered in it. Okay, so with this we'll finish the class today. We'll see the internet application and email in the next class. Thank you, students.